What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Welshy back with another little vid. So today, guys, I'm actually going to be installing a cold air intake on my brand new car. Alright guys, so yeah, I picked up a 2010 Acura CSX-S. It was actually my dad's car. He bought an ILX Dynamic, so I just took over his payments. And we're going to be installing this cold air intake that I got for real cheap. So yeah, guys, let's get right into it. It's so friggin' messy in here. Holy jeez. Awesome. Fucking yeah. That's actually pretty clean. Yeah, I'm not really used to K-Series because my intake on my D17 took literally 20 minutes. And these are just... Oh, also when I got my clutch done, I don't know if the tech plugged in my reverse light switch. Yeah, because when I put it in my car in reverse, my bulbs don't line up. And I also changed the bulbs, so I'm thinking it's the reverse light switch on the transmission. Which we will see in just a moment. Trying to get this last little airbox piece out from the lower bumper. So yes, you do have to take the bumper off. Obviously, it's cold air. Makes sense.
Oh, I see what it's doing.
What's up? Like we're caught on something down below. So you just gotta basically wiggle it off. There's another bolt here down below that you gotta remove. And just kind of play with the airbox until it moves. We got the airbox.
So here's the big son of a bitch right here. We think Buddy beat the fuck out of someone with this thing because you look at all the like bends and shit.
Yeah.
I mean, at least it's got a Denso math air sensor though. That's pretty. Yeah, that's pretty mint. eBay intake for the boys.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get this bitch in.
I'm gonna route it up through, I think.
Yep. No, I think it goes under this way here.
Oh, that did not take that much effort.
Here it is right now. We got the front bumper off here. And we're almost done. Almost there.
Alright. Andrew's here to help finish off the cold air intake install, but we got the piping on. We had to route it in with the silicone on and then heat it up here on the throttle body, wedge it on. It's still not perfect, but we're getting there. Just onto the hoses, really.
Don't want your viewers to see that. They go, what the fuck's wrong with that guy?
Scooby-Doo's here to save the day, boys.
Matt's answer to everything is a 10 mil. What is a 10 mil, man?
What's a 10 mil?
Oh, ah!
How's that on the fucking hand?
Gnarly.
I feel like a fucking cop right here, eh?
Yes, sir. What are you in the air? Sorry, Ossifer.
You been smoking tonight, Ricky?
Yeah, boy.
I'll have to buy you a lighter if she fucks off.
Yeah, boy. It's on fire, Ricky. Once you go black, you don't go back.
Just put a cone on it.
You know, yeah, my dad would never notice that.
No, you'll just be like, oh, it sounds kind of weird.
He goes
but...
like 20 kilometers in a 50 zone all the time, right?
Yeah.
So like,
I'd rear end that motherfucker. He'll be like, fuck you, slow
he probably wouldn't notice till he gets to work or
some
something.
shit.
He had a flat tire on the bridge or whatever.
I would have shot him in the finger. Hey, fuck you, George.
Apparently people kept honking at him. He didn't know why.
Yeah, I would be like, hey, fuck you. Fucking asshole. Pulling up the fucking bridge.
Cold as fuck. I also burnt the fuck out of the hose a little bit. She's a little crusty, but you know, we good gang
cross
shit.
feed tech.
Beat that gang.
I'm doing Bartlett. Oh, yeah. She's a little tight.
Like, right
Really
up there,
tight.
That's what she said.
Michael. Michael, please. Please.
Mwah!
Come on.
Yes! The boys finally got the K-Series running again.
Holy shit! Holy fuck!
Oh
Did you hear
my
that?
god, dude. Oh, it's grody as fuck, dude.
Holy fuck! Dude, that sounds so good.
Oh my god, man.
Crossovers sound so fucking nice. Oh,
Oh my fuck, dude.
god damn.
Oh my god.
It pulls you back too.
It does, man.
yeah.
It actually pulls you back. Oh my god, dude. This pulls so nice. Holy shit. I'm gonna have no fucking gas. Wow, I am so excited.
Man.
Thanks so much for
Oh,
fucking
anytime,
this
buddy.
up.
My pleasure.
Let's go, boy.
Fucking A. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. This guy right here, you can see a smile on his face. He's pretty happy.
So excited, dude. Change the whole car.
100%, man.
Alright guys, well thanks for watching.
Thanks
Thanks
again.
for staying. We literally at this for like what, 2 hours?
Oh, man, probably 3 hours.
3 hours? Like
At this point,
whatever,
yeah, so
like
whatever. Fuck it, was worth it.
we're done.
The sound of it was worth it enough. So
Yeah, exactly.
all right, I'll hand it over to Brendan.
Alright guys. So thanks so much for watching. Yeah, it's been your boy Welshy and my boy Mako over here. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care.
See you, boys.